Okay, so this is it's gonna be your video for week 2, what your warm-up is gonna be. So we're gonna do another 5-finger scale, but this time we're gonna start on G. So if you know, like right off the top of your head, like this note here is a G, go ahead and find it and put your finger 1 there in your right hand, because we're gonna start right hand again. If you don't, that's okay. Let's remind ourselves how to find a G. So if you're just going off of the G itself, you need to find a group of 3 black notes, and the G is in the middle of the lower 2. So let's get a bird's eye view for this one. So find a group of 3 black notes, and the G is in the middle of the bottom 2 black notes. So find a group of 3. G's in the middle of the bottom 2. So let me put you back up there. Okay, so just like with our C major scale, or C major 5-finger scale, in the right hand we're going to start finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is how we're going to play. So this time we start on G. Have a listen to this one. Remember, just like the other ones, your hand doesn't move up or down. Each finger stays glued to its note and gets its own note. So let's do it together. And this time, let's say our finger numbers as we play. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again, but let's say the note names this time. This is a little trickier, so let's go a little bit slower. So we start with G. Ready? Here we go. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. Now that's important to know, so let's do that one more time. Start on G. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. And you might be thinking, well, that order of notes is kind of strange, but remember how your musical alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it restarts with A. So you see that right at the beginning of the scale. So you start with G, and then you restart with A, B, C, D. So it's kind of a funky order, but it sounds pretty nice. Okay, now let's do the left hand. So with your left hand, just like the other scale, instead of starting with finger 1, you're going to start with your pinky, which is finger 5. So find a G, group of 3, bottom 2 in the group of 3, white note in the middle of that. Put your pinky on G. Make sure it sounds like this. Okay, now let's play it together. Start with saying your finger numbers first. So 5 is first. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now let's do the note name. So start with G. Here we go. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. That's kind of confusing, so let's do that one more time. Starting on G. Here we go. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. Okay, there's your week 2 warm-up. Practice that.